Otumi Festival, which happened recently. They began the events from the 24th and they ended on the 29th of December. And there was a gala competition, there was a grand deba also, but I was more interested in the grand deba, you know. I was seeing some beautiful mamas over there doing some kind of action. I don't know whether I should call it twerking or not, but let's just check out the video and get back right here and let's see what we can do concerning this show. What is this? Tell me that. No, they don't.
Alright, so you're still watching Hitmakers TV. Currently we are at Otumi, where the Otufest, that is Otumi Festival, is ongoing. The soccer gala just ended and I have with me here the founder of the event and part of the organizers. Welcome to Hitmakers TV.
Thank you very much.
What's your name?
My name is Michael Sakadakwa.
Okay, Michael Sakadakwa. Is this the first edition?
Alright, so this is the first edition of Otufest. It was launched last year and this year is the first edition of Otufest.
Okay, so what motivated you to come up with this event?
Alright, so it came as a dream from school, so I decided to embark on this event.
Okay, so I would like to ask you, what was your expectation before?
Alright, so I was expecting a massive crowd and then a big tournament, and I think I've got it. Yes, the home team didn't emerge as winners. It was rather two teams from outside, that's Damai and Nkwantana, who played the finals, and Damai eventually won.
Along that summer, they did so marvelously. A big shout outs to Michael, who was one of the best organizers of the town over there. Well, big shout outs to everybody.